Good morning, everyone. In the last session, we had the discussion related to our third mini project requirement. So I prepared FDD document for that third mini project. So today I will explain about the requirement and I will show you sample screens. Based on this, we need to start our development. Okay. So this is our FDD. FDD stands for functional design document. What is the client requirement? That will be taken care by functional team. Once they got the requirement from the client, they will prepare one document with a name called FDD. FDD stands for functional design document. So in this FDD, we explain what is our requirement and what functionality we need to develop. This application name I'm calling as Ashok IT blog application. We need to create one application where users can write the blogs, right? In this application, there are basically 8 major functionalities are available. Index page is available. In the index page, we need to display all the blocks with the titles. So like this index page should be displayed like this. Whoever is added the blog, their blocks should be displayed. What is a Java? So this is one blog title. That blog is having some content. Here there is an option called read more option is available. And the title is also having a hyperlink. When you click on the title or when you click on the read more, that blog content will open. Okay. So what is the title? When that blog is added, that we need to display. What is the date that blog is added? Today morning, I prepared this screen and I have given the date as today's date only. So when you click on this title or when you click on the read more, that blog content should be displayed. This is my first page. In this page, blog search option is also available. Whenever I enter some text, suppose for example, if I enter Java and click on search, it has to display all the blogs which contains Java in the title. It has to display all the blogs which are having Java as a title. That search functionality also we need to implement. That is my first page, index page. Are you guys clear with the index page? So when you run the application, when you access the application URL, this index page should be displayed. In the index page, we need to display all the blocks which are available in the database, irrespective of the user who created that. So if you added 3 blocks, I added 3 blocks, someone added 3 blocks. All the 9 blocks should be displayed in the index page. This is the public access, read access. Anybody can see all the blocks which are available in the application. And they can enter some text here and they can click on search button. So the blocks which contains that given keyword in the title, only those blocks should come. Okay, suppose if I enter Java, there are 3 blocks available. If I enter Java and click on search, only that Java block should be displayed. That search is also Ajax search, right? So page should not be refreshed. When I enter Java and click on search, asynchronously, you need to update the blocks based on the given search criteria. That is our index page. Then, so in the index page, we need to display all the blocks with the title. Then after, view blog page with the comments and add comment form. So whenever you click on what is a Java hyperlink, then it will display that Java blog. So in the previous page, here you will click what is a Java. When you click on what is a Java, this page will be displayed. This is called view blog page with the comments. Blog comments should display below blog content. Add comment form should display below comments, right? Whenever you click on blog title, that blog content, what is a Java, that is the blog title. This is blog short description and this is blog actual description. And if you see below that blog, I have added 2 comments, right? One comment added by John, date and comment. Another comment is added by Smith, date and comment. So below the blog, you need to display blog comments. So if 10 users added 10 comments, all the 10 comments should come just below the blog. After the comments, we need to have one form where new users can add the comment for our blog. So view blog page view blog page is used to display blog content. Then below the blog, comments should be displayed. Below the comments, add comment form also should be displayed. If you add the comment, that comment should be displayed in the comments section. So that is our view blog page. First one is index page to display all blogs with the titles. So whenever you are displaying a blog, blog is having three types of data. Blog title, this is called short description of the blog. Java is a programming language. That is a short description. And when you click on the read more, what is happening? What is the Java? That is the title. And this is a short description. And this is the actual blog content. I have given introduction. Java related 4 points I have added. This is called content of the blog. This is short description of the blog. And this is title of the blog. Below the blog, comments should come. If I have 3 comments for the blog, those 3 comments should display along with the name, date, and commented text should be displayed. Below the comments, comment form should be available where user can add the comment, and that comment should be displayed in the comment section. Are you clear with the second page? So what is the first page? Index page. What is the purpose of that index page? It is used to display all blogs with a title and a short description, and a read more option will be available. When you click on the read more, what should happen? It will open the blog page. Whatever the blog you want to read, that blog will open. Blog title, short description, blog content, blog comments, add comment form also will be available. Perfect. After this, we are having registration page. If you want to write a new blog, you can read other blogs. You can write your own blog also. If you want to write your own blog, you need to create the account. Direct account creation, name, email ID, password, that's it. There is no unlock account. There is no email, nothing. You just can create the account with your name, email ID, and password. Click on register. Your data will be stored into database table. If once your registration completed, you can directly log in into your account. Login page is available, right? Once your registration and login got completed, once you log in successfully, you will go to dashboard page. Once your login is successful, you will go to dashboard page. In the dashboard page, whatever the blocks you have added, those blocks will be displayed. Post created 2nd May. Today morning, I created the post, right? So once you log in successfully into our application, whatever the blocks you have added, only those blocks you should be able to see. Okay. And when you click on edit, then that block should go to editable mode. There you can modify the title, modify the content of the blog also. If you click on delete, that block should be deleted from the database. Here I want to go for soft delete, not the hard delete. I don't want to delete it completely from the database. I want to make it as a inactive blog. If I click on delete, that blog should not display in the application, but it should be available in the database. That is the requirement. Good. And here search option is available. When I enter something and click on search in the title, those blocks should be displayed asynchronously. Those blocks should be displayed asynchronously. Right. Then after, create a blog page is available. If you see, once you log in successfully, new post, comments, logout, post. Post means whatever the blog post you have added, those blog posts should be displayed here. New post means when you log in, this menu will come. When you click on new post, this blog page will open. Blog title, short description, content of the blog. This content text box having some styles. This is called CK editor. It is not a normal text box. It is a CK editor. You can format the content how you want. How you will write the content in the Word document? In the same way, you can write the blog content also. Some titles, colors, bullet points, like that you can write the text in the CK editor. We need to use CK editor for this create post page. Then after, view comments page is available. So whenever you go for view comments, whatever the comments came for your blog post, only those comments should be displayed If any bad comment is available, you can delete that comment also. Some users wantedly they are posting some bad comments on your blogs. Then you have the option to delete that post also. You can delete the comment. So these are the functionalities available. I have added the document in the class notes. You can open that and you can go through that. In the portal, I have added that, guys. Admin, I am not adding that now. I will remove that. Okay. Yep. All of you open portal. I have added the class notes 03 mini project FDD. If you open that, you can see the PDF. I want you people to go through the screens. If you have any questions, you can ask me today. This weekend, by this weekend, we need to complete this project, guys. The target is by Sunday, we have to complete it. We will decide that. Guys, all of you, please read the requirement, go through the screens. If you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Online people, are you able to access the document? Online people, are you able to access the document? Guys, there is nothing difficult. Adding the data, retrieving the data, editing the data, deleting the data. That's it. It is just like a CRUD operation. That is JavaScript. Predefined plugins will be available. No, normal only, but CK editor plugin we can add. No. The JS, that's it. It's just a JS file. Yeah. Some styles bootstrap related. I will remove that. It's my mistake. I will remove that. It's not required. Once you go to the blog page, search is not required. We can remove that. Correct. If you want, we can add it. We can add for the index page. Guys, all of you, please read the document. Without having the clarity on the requirement, your analysis will become wrong. You need to analyze this because this is third project. Now I want to see your analysis on this project. How you will design the database, how you will design the classes, methods and all. Can we complete in a week of time? Easy, right? Almost similar to second project, but requirement is different. Adding, retrieving, editing, deleting. That's it. Online people, please read the document, look at the screens. If you have any confusion, you can ask the questions. First of all, you need to get full clarity on the requirement, what we are trying to implement. Once you get that clarity, then we can start the analysis part. Yeah. Online students, you can unmute and you can ask your questions.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, on the first page, there is all posts.
Sorry?
All posts in nav bar, sir. All posts.
That is the same page, index page only.
The index page. Sir,
Yeah.
is there any limit for the blog, word limit?
No, there is no limit.
Or for comment?
Sorry?
For comment, is there any word limit?
No, no limit.
Okay, sir. And one more question, sir. At the blog page, sir, there is a search option. So is it required?
Search, guys, if you see in the second page, you can ignore the blog search option. That will not be available. We will remove that. Search will be available only in the index page. Once you go to view blog page, here search will not be available. I will remove that.
Okay, sir.
By mistake, I have added that.
Okay. And sir, where we edit the comment, the last
comment
page.
Editing, you cannot do that, sir. I have not given edit comment. Somebody added the comment. You can only see and delete
like
that.
this. That delete the comment. Here only email and comments. So we need a name also or not required?
Not. If you want, you can display that, but you don't need that, right? If you delete, that comment will be deleted from the database.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Sir, one thing I couldn't understand, in the comments, list of comment, we should see the comments related to each post, right?
Correct.
But it is showing all the comments in a single page.
These are the 2 comments I added for one blog. Okay. These
In
are
the sir, in the
Huh.
comments page, where the list of comments is there.
These comments,
No,
you are
list
seeing,
of comment. Yes,
correct.
sir.
These are the comments will display related to all the blogs that you have added, right?
Yes, sir.
All comments will come, which are related to your blogs.
So, sir, scroll down, sir. Last page.
Yeah, this one.
This one, sir.
Correct.
So here we are seeing all those comments, but we are not able to see which comment is related to which post.
I have not given that. Just to display all the comments came for your blogs. That's it. I'm not differentiating them. If you want, you can keep it, or if you want, you can delete it. That's it. That's the requirement.
Okay, sir.
Okay. When you go for a blog page, for which blog, which comment came, that will display here. Right. In the comments page, all the comments which came for your blog. Suppose, for example, you added 3 blogs. For each blog, you got 1 comment. So total 3 comments you got. All the 3 comments will be displayed here. You got it?
Okay, sir.
Yep. Next one. Offline students, anybody having any queries on the requirement? You have to do this application. You have to do this application. When you see the screen, you should get the idea what kind of logic you have to implement. When you have clarity on the requirement, you will get that idea. When you don't have clarity, you will not get that. Look at the screen. Think in 360 degrees angle how to implement this requirement. Okay. Look at the screens. In some companies, they will not give you this much clarity FDD also. In some companies, they will give you FDD like this. In some companies, they will just tell you orally in the meeting, you need to develop this requirement. So if you have this kind of FDD, then you will get more clarity. But in banking applications, in the banking sector companies, FDDs will not be available. In my company project, there is no FDD. We will not get the screens like this. Whatever we need to develop, they will just explain in the meeting. That's it. They will not give any document for us because of security reasons. So you need to be very sharp and you need to be super fast in the grasping the content. When somebody explaining the requirement, you should understand that requirement. If you get the document, that is 100% good. But in all companies, the documents will not be available.
Sir, since in the list of comments page, we are only there is only functionality to delete any
Correct.
post.
Yes.
So can we modify that this functionality in such a way that that delete button will be only available when the user is logged in, and that would be visible only in the
Man, this page, view comments page, once you log in, then only you can see all the comments which are available now. Once you log in, then only this button will come for you. But if you don't log in, this is the home page. If you see the menu, there is no option to see the comments. In the index page, is there any menu to see the comments? No. You can only see all the blocks. You can register, you can log in. Once you log in successfully, then only you will get the option to see the comments and add the post.
So I'm saying is in the view block page, the delete button would be available by side of those comments so that it would be easy for the user to.
No, I'm not giving that, sir. Because this view block page is a public block page, right?
So again, it would that delete button would be only visible to the logged in user.
I'm not adding that requirement. It is not there. If you want, you can implement it. I have not given that in the design.
Okay, sir.
Like in the Facebook, when you add a comment, we have the option to edit and delete the comment. You are asking that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's not added in the requirement. If you want, you can implement.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yep.
in two-
Next one, guys.
In page 2, to leave a comment.
Tony, that you need to decide how can you do that. When you click on the read more page, will it go to the new page or will open in the same page? That you need to do that. Generally, it will go to the new page, right? It will go for new page.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when a person wants to add a comment in any post, he should be logged in.
Not required, I think. To
Hello?
add it, no need to log in.
Am I audible, sir?
Okay.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Sir, I'm asking whenever a person wants to add a comment,
Right.
he should be logged in. Logged
Not
in user.
required.
Not required.
For adding the comment, login is not required. You see here, index page is available. In the index page, blog list is available. When you click on that blog, you will go to view blog page. In the view blog page, directly you can add the comment. You no need to log in to add the comment. Because you are end user, you can read my blog. If you like it, you can add the comment. You no need to log in to add the comment.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, sir, here we don't
Hello,
have
sir.
to put the name and
Yeah.
email for that.
Sir, only edit the comment, add the post, edit the post and delete the comment. For that only the login is required.
Correct. If you want to see your comments, the comments you got for your blogs, if you want to edit your blog, if you want to delete your blog, if you want to add a new blog, then only you need to log in. To see the blogs which are available, to read the blog, to add the comment, you no need to log in. Yes, sir. Not required. Directly, whatever the comment they have added, just you display that. Right. We don't care it. Just a name when they have added the comment, what comment they have added. That's it. Guys, did you like the requirement? Good.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yep.
If we delete a one blog, those related comments, those blog related comments also deleted automatically.
Right. I told you that, right? When you delete the blog, it's not a hard delete. It is a soft delete. Soft delete means blog will not display. That's it. Comments will not be deleted. Blog will not be deleted. It is soft delete functionality. Guys, when I click on the delete, it is a soft delete. Blog will not be deleted from the database. What about the comments of the blog? They also will not be deleted. It is just a inactivating the blog. That's it. That means it will not display for the end user.
So one action, one button, two actions.
What two actions?
When I click on the delete, the blog will be deleted. Also, the blog related comments also deleted.
It's a soft delete, buddy, not a hard delete. Blog should not be deleted from the database. Blog, if you delete, that blog should not display in the application. That's it. It will be available in the database.
Okay, sir.
Yep. It is a
Hi,
soft
sir.
delete functionality.
Hi, sir. Hello, sir.
Huh.
Sir, after
But when you refresh the page, it will come again. Yes, sir. Tell me.
sir, after registration, after the login, we are adding blog page, right?
Correct.
After adding the blog page, it will show in the index page.
No, when you add the blog here, it will give you a message, blog added successfully. That's it. Then you can go see and you can see posts. There you can see all the posts you have made. Post nothing but blogs. Got it?
Yeah, but it's not displaying in index page as a
No.
hyperlink.
No.
We can create, sir.
If you want, you can do that, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
1 minute, guys. Wait. Huh. Content also will come. It will display. Whenever you click on edit, all these three values will come pre-populated. Pre-pop, because I can edit anything, right? Yes, online people, tell me, what is your
Good
question?
morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Why are you doing your sub delete?
Just I want to teach you what is soft delete. Hard delete means you already know how to delete a record.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Delete means everybody know that it will be deleted from the database. But in
Yes.
the real time, hard delete will be available, soft delete will be available. I want to educate what is soft delete.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Huh.
Sir, if I talk about comment can be only text or image
Sorry?
or video also.
Can you come again?
Yeah, sir, if you talk about comment we need to give in the form of text or image or video also.
Comment only text format for the blogs. Here, if you see, my comment form is already available. Your name, your email ID, your text, that's it. You can't post videos, audios for the comment.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose our block, particular Java block added the comment. Where the comments will be stored, sir?
Comments will be
Like-
stored in the database table. What
We
kind
had
of
to
question it is, man?
No, sir. Like different. We have two tables. We have different comments.
You need to
Like
differentiate for which block they are adding the comment.
Sure.
Simple, man. You are using Facebook, right? You are able to see Facebook posts, somebody posting. You can read the posts. You can view them. You can add your comment for that, right? Same kind of thing. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Sir.
Sir, since this project is going to our last mini project, and I asked the same question before that, are you going to implement security? So you denied
Security,
it.
I have,
So
man, you asked it. You want Spring Security. I will take the classes of Spring Security and I will integrate that in the project. Okay. Because if I can't integrate security directly in this, now first I need to teach you what is security, how to work with security. Okay. Definitely
yes.
we will use security. It is part of our course.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I'm not going to skip that because that is the most important part in the Spring Boot. How to secure our applications using Spring Security.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Any other questions, anyone?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Guys, 1 minute. That is the relation. Yes, we have to do like that only. Yeah. Search functionality based on the title, guys. Whenever you give some text and click on search, based on the title, those blocks should come. Same thing here also. When you go for dashboard, if you enter some text, click on search, that blocks which have that title should come.
Sir, are we going to implement? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sir, we are going to implement a REST API in this project.
No,
or-
sir, not REST API. It is normal project only because people want UI for this. So it's not a REST API.
Okay, sir.
It's
The
a normal web application.
The next mini project will be on REST API.
Major project will be on the REST APIs.
No mini project with REST API.
No.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will
Yep.
implement pagination here because there can
Sorry?
be a number of blocks.
Can you come again?
Like we will implement pagination here.
Yes, we can do that. First, if we complete the given requirement, then I will tell you how to add the pagination for this project. CK editor. Any other questions, anyone? This side, not even single question. Let anyhow, whatever you want, we can implement that.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after login, we are creating a blog page. If
After
it is not-
login,
we are creating the blog page, right, sir?
correct.
After creating blog page, if it is not pre-populating into the index page, it is waste of creating the page, right?
I did not get your question.
Sir, after login, we are creating a blog page.
You will log in. Once you go to login, you will have a option to add a blog. There is a new post option is available. New post means it will display this page to add the post. Once you added the post, you will get a message, your blog added successfully. Then you can go to post. Then if you click on this, the table will come like this. There you can see the blog which you have added. Got it?
Yes, sir, but it is not pre-populating in the index page.
If you want to pre-populate the index page, there is a app name. Now, if you click on this, it will go to the index page. There you can see all the blocks like this.
We are creating the blog page. It will not pre-populate, right?
What block page pre-population? I did not get your question.
Sir, we are creating the new post. That
Yes,
one,
this
sir.
is the page where you will add the blog. Right. Once you click on submit, your blog will be inserted to database. It will give you a message. Your blog is added. Then you can go to dashboard and you can see what are the blocks you have added. Understand?
Sir, yes, sir. Index page, there is a hyperlinks. They are the blog pages.
Correct.
But then we are posting a new post. Then it should be pre-populated into the index page, no, sir?
It will pre-populate, sir. Whenever you add the blog, it will pre-populate in the index page. It will display whatever the blog you added. It will come like this. Currently 3 blocks available. If you add a new blog, 4th blog will come below that.
Okay.
Yeah, that is a dynamic page, not static page.
Yeah,
When you add a blog will display here. When you add second blog, that will display here. That's it. If you delete it, that will not display here. It is a dynamic, not static.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Completed? All of you able to complete that? Now, let's start the DB analysis. How many tables you need? Let's try to identify for this requirement. You just note it down. You just note it down. Take a pen and paper or notepad in the laptop. See the screens. Note down. First of all, how many tables we need for this application? How many tables we need for this application? How many tables we need for this application? Identify that. Guys, in this project, 70% effort should be from your side. My side, only 30% effort will be available. I don't want to develop each and everything in the class. I want you to develop this project. I want you people to develop this project, not me. Login registration, I will not develop in the class because already we done that for several times. Within 1 hour, you should be able to complete register and login. All of you identify the tables and the relations among the tables. What tables we need, what relations we need for those tables. Yes, sir. Sorry. If you log in, there is an option called new post. If you create the account, then you can log in. There is an option called new post. You can create your own post. See the screen number 5. There is a new post option in the menu. Page number 6, that is used to create the post. If you want to do a blog post, you need to log in, then you can post it. Without login, you can see all the blogs. You can read all the blogs. If you want to add the blog, you need to log in into the application. Then in the menu, there is option new post. If you go for comments, the comments which you got for your post will be displayed here. Identify the tables, table columns also. What are the tables and what are the columns? What are the relationships? Yeah, guys. I will be back in 5 minutes. Please complete your DB analysis. Yep. That we'll see. We'll see. I will come back. Online students, please try to analyze the database, tables, relationships, and columns. I will be back in 5 minutes. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Online people? Any questions, anyone? Write down what are the tables, what are the columns, and what are the relations. No, no category. Comment can be added by anyone, but for which block they are adding, that is important. No. Write the table names and the relations that we need for the tables and the columns that we need in the table. So what is our DB design for this project that you have to identify first?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the post table, there should be all the posts. Yes, sir.
Post nothing but block basically. Yeah.
Yes, sir. All the blocks in the index page. But when the user is logged in, and then based on the user, there are blocks. So it will be a different table or
Based on the logged in user, you need to build your dashboard.
okay, sir.
Got it? In the index page, it will display all the blocks. But once you log in the dashboard table, only your blocks will be displayed. Comments, the comments which got for your blocks will be displayed. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Not everybody comment, not every block. It is user specific application. Samjha?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Please work on DB design, tables, columns, relationships. 70% you have to complete, 30% I will complete.
Hello, Ashok sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Nishant sir. Nishant, I given the repository sir for last project sir.
For
Mini
last
project
one.
2,
Yeah, I will check
you
that,
asked
sir. I will check
for
that.
that.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
This is for my entity parts. Okay, but one block, one to many mapped by many to one join column private user and mapped with user. One user can have multiple blocks. Okay. In block, after writing many to one like this, I am again writing at the rate one to many. One table have to go mappings.
What is that? Comments.
After writing, this is many. One block is mapped by one user can have multiple blocks. Okay, this is done. Then in the same blog entity, I am again writing at the rate one to many mapped by now comment. It is allowed.
Yes, allowed.
Writing like that. It is allowed.
Yes. Guys, once your DB analysis is completed, start creating the project and complete login registration today. It will not take more than half an hour. Creating a login page, creating the registration page. Once you register, then you will be able to log in. Once you log in, you will go for a dashboard page. So in the dashboard, a menu should be available. New post. New post means creating the block. So I want you to create the new post page. The page should look like this. So today I want you people to complete login, registration, and creating the block. Creating the block means 3 fields will be available: title, description, content. So you need to take that data, you need to insert into database table. At least I want you to complete that part by today. Can you do that? Fine, good. Thank you. We'll see you in the evening Spring Boot class.